In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Excel document that prints too small on the page. If you've ever hit print and ended up with a tiny, unreadable spreadsheet in the corner of the paper, this is usually just a page layout and scaling issue, and it's easy to fix once you know where to look. Start by opening your Excel file, then go to the File menu and choose Print. This takes you to the Print Preview screen, which is the best place to see exactly how your document will look on paper. Take a moment here to look at the preview on the right. If your sheet looks very small, with large white margins, or it's squeezed into one area of the page, that confirms it's a scaling or page size problem. Next, look at the settings under the Printer dropdown. There's a section that usually says something like No Scaling, Fit Sheet on one page, or Fit All Columns on one page. If your printout is too small, you may have a setting that's shrinking everything to fit too many pages onto one sheet. Try changing this to No Scaling first, then look at the preview. If the content runs off the page, choose Fit Sheet on one page or Fit All Columns on one page, depending on whether you care more about width or the entire sheet fitting. Now click on Page Setup or go to the Page Layout tab at the top of Excel. Here, check the paper size and orientation. Make sure you're using the correct paper size, such as letter or A4, and switch between portrait and landscape to see which one makes your data more readable. Landscape is often better for wide spreadsheets. While you're in page layout, look at the margins. If margins are set too wide, your printable area is smaller, which can force Excel to shrink the content. Try normal or narrow margins and watch how the preview changes. Another useful area is the scale section in page layout. If the scale is set very low, like 50% or 60%, your document will print tiny. Try setting it closer to 100%, or use the Adjust To and Fit To options to control how many pages wide and tall your printout should be. Finally, return to Print Preview and confirm everything looks clear and fills the page reasonably well before you actually print. Once you're happy with the layout, go ahead and send it to the printer.